August means Festival of Quilts, as well as holidays. And don't forget, you can take us with you to enjoy and be inspired in the sunshine. This month we are joined by Janet Clare, who is taking us uphill and down dale with this lovely layer cake pattern that looks a little like the traditional favourite Delectable Mountains. And Valerie takes us for a lovely summer walk in the park with a workshop using Macawa fabric and another Lynn Goldsworthy design with a free pattern to download. Helen Butcher shows us these lovely floating box within a box designs as part of her contemporary collection. And Jenny Raymond takes us through the lattice window with these simple but beautiful designs. Also in August, Valerie shows us how to hand piece a traditional tumbling block quilt, and Carolyn Forster guides us through a workshop to create an amazing Biscornu pincushion. You will want to make these for yourself and all your friends. Mary Gamester features in 2 of our August videos. You can enjoy an interview we recorded with her at the West Country Quilt Show, plus a workshop on how to do transfer painting to create your own beautiful fabric designs. Jenny Raymond brings us a tip on how to anchor your work by machine. She's not a fan of handwork. And our Throwback Thursday this month features Valerie demonstrating binding, also using the sewing machine and creating the mitered corner. Finally, because we get 5 Fridays this month, we introduce a brand new English paper piecing series designed by Nancy Adamek, exclusively for us. Valerie chats to Nancy Adamek to learn more about the upcoming table runner pattern called Tudor Rose. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.